Today, we're checking into one of Dallas' newest hotel experiences, but this place has a story most hotels don't. Hotel DAX sat completely empty for 6 years after the COVID pandemic changed cities across America forever. Now it's back with a fresh new look, major plans for the future, and a full renovation expected after the World Cup leaves Texas. So naturally, we had to come see what the buzz was all about.
Hi guys, we are at the Hotel DAX and we are at the pool area, and I'm telling you, this is amazing. They got 2 big screen TVs so you can watch the sporting events while you're swimming. They have like I'd say it's a heart-shaped pool, 2 hearts together, a hot tub. They even have a bar right there, so get out of the pool, you want to drink. It's not open right now, so maybe it just opens in the prime time that they're busy. But we are actually standing on the platform where they have the these big, huge couch chairs. I'm not quite sure what the name is. They got chairs and tables, and then they have the beanbag toss game. And then if you really want to be a big spender, there's a couple of rooms that back up to the pool area. You can come right out and just be in the pool area directly from your room. But you guys, if you come to Addison, you have to stay here. It is a nice hotel. It's new. I believe the Marriott just took it over. The building is not new, but I believe the Marriott just took it over, but you have to check it out. It is so nice.
All right, guys, so last night when we got in, it was very late, and I was probably not in the greatest of moods. My opinion of this hotel has changed dramatically since last night. We got the guy at the front desk. We didn't catch his name, but he was nice enough to put us in a completely different room, walked the key up to us, and then checked the room before we went in, which was great. I really like how well lit everything is in the hallways. The furniture looks nice in the hallways. So you could really just come out here and just hang out right here if you wanted to, just to get out of your room. Let's go see if a meeting room is open.
Okay.
We're going to see if a meeting room is open. One was open last night, but we were tired, so I wasn't going to explore. But how cool is that pool area?
It's nice.
We're definitely coming back. We'll be back to hang out here, and we'll bring you guys with us. So guys, all the ballrooms are closed, but of course, like every other hotel in Texas, the ballrooms have the same kind of meaning, same theme: Trinity, Trinity 1, Trinity 2, you know, things that are related to Texas. And the river is a big part of Texas. So, but if you wanted to have a meeting here, there's plenty of space for you. This pre-function space is really, really nice. For as far as hotels are concerned, even though this is an old hotel, you can see the signs all over the place. You can tell that they're keeping it clean, they're keeping it fresh, and they're doing some remodel. I don't know if there's more to come, but I think this is a fantastic hotel. So guys, I'm not normally the person that will go into the restroom and show you what's happening in the restroom, but I was so impressed with the cleanliness overall and the layout. You can tell the tile is new, the flooring is new, the wall tile is new, the toilets are new. So they've put some money into this place so far. I think it's time to get something to eat. As the evening settled over Dallas, we made our way into Top Brass American Bistro inside Hotel DAX for dinner. The ambiance immediately stood out. The lighting was perfectly dim, creating a relaxed and intimate atmosphere that felt upscale without being overwhelming. It was the kind of place where you naturally slow down and enjoy the moment. The staff was attentive from the start, making sure everything was taken care of while still giving us space to enjoy the evening. And once the food arrived, we knew we were in for a great meal. The aromas coming from the table instantly grabbed our attention. I ordered the brick oven half chicken, served beautifully with rich roasted finish that looked just as good as it smelled. Maryann went with the top brass classic burger, stacked high and cooked perfectly. Every bite felt comforting but elevated. Classic American bistro food done right. All right guys, so everything you want is right here in this little convenient location. We have adult beverages, water right there in that one, then plenty of soda right here in this one if you want something to drink, including some protein shakes. So if you look over here, there's sundry area if you need cough syrup, headache medicine, all of that, plus some snacks, some healthy, and then over here are some more sweet type snacks, chocolates and all of that stuff. Now, the kicker is when we go to the coffee shop tomorrow morning. I'll be back over here going to this coffee shop to see what is it that they're putting out over here. So we'll see how it turns out. So how do you get the bikes?
When I can get the kickstand up, I don't know.
You ready to go for a ride?
Yeah, let's do it.
It might just be decoration.
And I'm gonna try to break it?
Mm-hmm.
I was just about to.
So guys, how cool is this? I think this hotel tops the list for us. This is the first time that I've ever signed out a bicycle at a hotel, and we're literally going for a ride. And this counts. We got up, we worked out this. You guys didn't know this, but we started working out again and trying to eat a little healthier, choosing a little bit better options. So we're gonna go for a little bike ride and then head back to the room, hopefully in time enough for us to maybe hit the pool. What'd you think?
Yes.
The pool is so cool. Let's go.
Here's the kickstand to still up.
Overall, our experience at Hotel DAX was a reminder that some places really can get a second chance. From the moment we walked into the lobby, there was a modern energy mixed with hints of the building's past. The updated design gave the hotel a fresh feel while still leaving you curious about what the full renovation after the World Cup might bring. The pool area was another highlight during our stay. It had a relaxing atmosphere that made it easy to unwind and escape the rush of the city for a while. Whether you're looking to lounge for the afternoon or just take in the vibe, it added another layer to the overall experience. And of course, dinner at Top Brass American Bistro helped tie the whole visit together. Between the intimate ambiance, attentive staff, and flavorful food, it felt like more than just a hotel restaurant. It felt like part of the story Hotel DAX is trying to tell as it reintroduces itself to Dallas. This hotel may have sat empty for years, but now it feels like the place rebuilding its identity one guest at a time. We're definitely glad we got a chance to experience it during this new chapter. If you enjoyed coming along with us, make sure to like, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next adventure.